Hey, what's up guys, hope all of you doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's OneUi 8.5 update. So as we know that after the OneUi 8 update, we are all hyped about the OneUi 8.5 update now. Many users were also confused about that the OneUi 8.5 update will come for the Galaxy S23 Ultra or not. So the good news is that according to Google, the Galaxy S23 series will be receiving the OneUi 8.5 update, including the S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra and the S23 FE. As for the current update of the OneUi 8.5 update, so the OneUi 8.5 update is currently available in beta version for the Galaxy S25 series, but it is also in the limited countries. Also, if we talk about the availability, so the beta version is currently available in limited countries as well. As this is a 0.5 update, so we are not sure about that whether we will get to see the beta version for the Galaxy S24 and the S23 series or not. Further, if we talk about the features, so there are multiple new features and UI changes available this time around with the OneUi 8.5 update. First up, you will get to see this new control panel. The control panel will be more customizable with this new update. Further, you will get to see this new UI design of the clock application. Also, you will get to see this pill type design in every application. And this pill type design looks a bit inspired from iOS. If you talk about the voice recorder app, so the voice recorder app is also getting some enhancements with the OneUi 8.5 update. This is how the voice recorder app will look like in the OneUi 8.5 update. And if you talk about the animations while opening and closing of the apps, you will also get to see some improvements in that. And I really hope that they give us this OneUi 8.5 dark icons this time around with this new update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was some latest news regarding the OneUi 8.5 update for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And if you talk about the Android version, so the Android version is going to be the same. It will be the Android 16 with the OneUi 8.5 update. Let me know in the comment section below that which feature you are most excited about with the OneUi 5 update. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.